Did you know that from the very first day you turned on your Windows PC, it has been quietly filling up your C drive with thousands of unnecessary junk files? These hidden files slowly eat up your storage, slow down your system, and make your computer feel older and heavier than it should be. The frustrating part? Windows doesn't give you any clear warning. One day you suddenly get a low disk space notification, even though you haven't installed anything big. That's because temporary files, old update leftovers, cache data, and system junk have been piling up silently in the background. But here's the good news. Windows actually has a powerful built-in tool designed to fight this problem automatically. It's called Storage Sense, and for most people it's either turned off or not properly configured. Hey everyone, welcome back to Techie Dialogue. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to activate and optimize Storage Sense so your PC stays clean and fast without you having to do manual cleanups every month. I'll also show you 2 extra powerful steps that most tutorials miss so you can get maximum results. If your C drive is running out of space or your PC feels sluggish, hit that like button and let's clean up your computer together. Let's get started step by step. First, click on the Start menu located on your taskbar. You'll recognize it by the Windows logo, usually sitting at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once you click it, look for the Settings app. It appears as a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on that to open it. When the Settings window opens, you'll see several categories. From here, click on System. This section contains important controls related to your device, including display settings, notifications, power options, and most importantly for us, storage. Now from the left-hand menu, find and click on Storage. Once you're inside, Windows will show you a detailed breakdown of what's taking up space on your drive. You'll see categories like apps, temporary files, documents, and more. Many users are shocked when they realize how much space is being used by temporary files alone. These are files that your system no longer needs but continues to store unless you remove them. Scroll down a little and you'll find a feature called Storage Sense. This is the hidden tool that can automatically clean your PC, but only if it's properly turned on and configured. Click on Storage Sense to go inside its settings. At the top you'll see a toggle switch words. If it's currently off, turn it on right now. Think of this as the master switch that allows Windows to begin automatic cleanup. But don't stop there. This is where most people miss out. You need to fine-tune how Storage Sense works to get the best results. Look for the option labeled Run Storage Sense. By default, Windows usually runs this feature only when your storage is almost full. The problem? By then your PC may already be slowing down or struggling with performance. Instead, change this setting to every week or every month. If you use your PC frequently, downloading files, installing apps, or browsing a lot, then the weekly option is ideal. It keeps things consistently clean without you having to think about it. Next, find the Recycle bin settings. This is where deleted files are temporarily stored. If you never empty it, it can quietly eat up a large amount of space over time. Set the cleanup option for the recycle bin to 30 days. This way you still have enough time to recover any accidentally deleted files, but Windows will automatically clear them after a month. Now pay close attention to the Downloads folder setting. You may see an option that allows Storage Sense to delete files from your Downloads folder after a certain number of days. It might sound useful, but it can be risky. Many people store important files in their Downloads folder without realizing it. If this setting is enabled, Windows could delete something important without warning. So for safety, set this option to never. This ensures your personal files remain untouched. Finally, scroll all the way down and click on the Run Storage Since Now button. This will immediately start a cleanup process. Windows will scan for unnecessary files and remove them safely. In many cases, you will instantly recover a noticeable amount of storage space. But we are not stopping here. Let me show you 2 additional powerful steps that most people miss. Bonus. Step 1. Deep clean with disk cleanup tool. Press the Windows key and type disk cleanup, then open it. Select your C drive and click OK. Let it scan. Once it finishes, check all the boxes, especially temporary files, Windows Update Cleanup and Delivery Optimization files. Click OK and let it clean. This tool goes deeper than storage sense and can remove even more hidden junk. Bonus step 2. Clear Windows Update Cache. Sometimes Windows keeps old update files even after installing them. To clear this, press Windows key plus R, type clean mgr and hit enter. Choose C drive again and this time check Windows Update Cleanup if it appears. This can sometimes free up several gigabytes by itself. After applying all these steps, your PC should feel noticeably faster, apps will open quicker, and you'll have much more free storage space. Everything we did today is 100% safe. Windows will automatically recreate any files it actually needs. We're only removing the junk that's been weighing your system down. Now I want to hear from you. How much space did you free up after running these steps? Was it 2 GB, 5 GB, 10 GB or more? Drop your result in the comments below. I read every single comment and love seeing your real numbers. If this video helped you clean up your PC and get back valuable storage space, please hit the like button and share it with any friend who is always complaining about low disk space or a slow computer. And if you want more simple but extremely effective Windows tips that actually make a real difference in daily life, make sure to subscribe to Techie Dialogue and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Keep your PC clean and fast, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.